So it's important to note that today there are already a few different flavors of blockchain. There is, of course, the Bitcoin network, envisioned in the original Nakamoto white paper. And this network and technology were created initially with the very focused use case of designing a cryptocurrency. It is an open permissionless network that hosts the Bitcoin ledger, or record of all the transactions of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. It employs a proof of work consensus algorithm and by and large does not support what we call smart contracts. Then in 2015, we saw the launch of the Ethereum network, a new blockchain protocol. This protocol also used a proof of work consensus mechanism, but introduced the very novel concept of having smart contracts. The ability to embed business logic processing within the blockchain network itself, and the ability to create decentralized applications using those smart contracts. And then finally, we have the introduction of technologies such as Hyperledger, quote-unquote permissioned or private blockchains. And one of the critical differences being that whereas in open blockchain networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum, the network is by design open and anyone can create an address, a wallet on that network. But technologies like Hyperledger are aimed at different use cases, generally more prevalent in the enterprise space, where different constituents, different actors or participants on the network want to have access to that network controlled in some way. So you still have many of those core attributes that we discussed before in terms of what a blockchain is. It's a peer-to-peer decentralized network of nodes. There's no one single controlling party over the ledger. You have automated smart contract logic running on that network. But when it comes to who is able to access and onboard onto the network, that is controlled, and the parties, the participants within the network are known to each other rather than being anonymous or pseudo-anonymous as they are in open networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum.